Up first, this evening, motorists will have to dig deep in their pockets to fill up on petrol tomorrow. Petrojam has announced sharp increases in petroleum products. Our business reporter Javon Keys has the breakdown. Javon.
Thank you so much, General. So if you haven't already filled up your tanks, I'd say try to do so before tomorrow. Now, the Ukraine-Russia crisis has been causing jitters in the global energy market, with oil selling for more than $120 a barrel, and already we're feeling the hit locally. Jamaica's refinery Petrojam has indicated that effective tomorrow, Thursday, March 10, all categories of fuel will see an increase of $4.50. As you can now see on your screen, the increases will see 87 and 90, diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel all going up, as well as kerosene, propane and butane. $4.50, the increase they will all see. Now, various companies will add their own markup to the prices released by Petrojam. This means the ex-refinery cost of fuel continues to make record movements, hitting their highest since at least 2004.
So Javon, what have the price movements looked like since the start of the year?
Well, General, since January this year, 87 has increased by about $22.51. 90 has gone up by $19, and diesel has gained about $29. Ultra-low sulfur diesel has increased by $27 since January to now. And of course, we've been hearing the motorists and the various dealers complaining vehemently about the movements of fuel, and they've been calling for a rollback in the special consumption tax on fuel. Now, yesterday, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, in his budget presentation, indicated that that will not happen. However, he did announce a $2 billion provisional package to support Jamaicans most adversely affected and those who are least able to absorb the impact of high fuel costs and energy prices. And of course, we'll hear the structure of that program in the coming weeks.
All right. So just to be clear, all categories of fuel will see an increase of $4.50. Right. Could we see an increase of more than $5 per litre come next Wednesday?
Well, General, not quite. So this is the first time in a number of years or so we're seeing those prices going up beyond $3.06 per litre in any given week. And this is why. Now, Petrojam's pricing structure has what they call a smoothing mechanism. This means that if prices exceed a predetermined threshold per litre, Petrojam will only pass on some of the cost to the market and absorb the rest. Now, usually when prices to Petrojam increase significantly, what's passed on to consumers doesn't usually go beyond about $3, $3.06, or within the $3 band. However, when those prices to Petrojam exceed $5 per litre, the new ex-refinery price will increase to $4.50. That's the ceiling. So based on the smoothing mechanism, increases will not exceed $4.50. But while we're unable to say exactly what next week's prices will look like, all indicators are telling us, General, to brace for more increases.
All right. Thank you so much, Javon Keys.